Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export in Penpot. Right? There's actually two ways. So first one is exporting the whole file or a whole file, okay, from a project. And the second one is by exporting an asset or layer. It could be an artboard. Okay, so for the whole file, just click on three dots right here. Okay, and then click on download Penpot file. But if you want to, you can go ahead and include shared library assets as well, or treat the shared library assets as basic objects. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and use this option and hit on continue. Wait for it to load and the download page will pop up, save it wherever you want. Okay, hit on close once done. Now the other option, again, just open up the file. Now select the specific layer or object. Select, or from here, specific page, click on it, just hit on export right here at the bottom right. It could be a PNG, PDF, SVG, WebP, or JPEG. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on export. Wait for a download page pop up. There you go. Save it wherever you want. There you have it. That's how easy it is to export in Penpot. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.